Here's a complete tutorial on turning off the burst of photos on an iPhone with the camera shutter button and the volume up button. Turn off burst photos on your iPhone when capturing photos with a timer. As you can see, when I click on the camera shutter button, the timer starts and burst photos are clicked. To stop burst photos with a timer, enable live photo. As you can see, my iPhone is only taking live photos after the timer ends. To completely disable and stop burst photo, just disable the timer. Tap on upward arrow icon in Photos mode. Swipe to find the timer icon, tap on it, and select the turn off option to stop burst photos with the camera button. That's it. Now, your iPhone camera app is normal to capture photos. Turn off burst of photos when pressing the volume up button if you wish to start video recording. For this, turn off volume up for burst from camera settings. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone and scroll to Camera app settings. Again, scroll to use volume up for burst toggle and turn off the toggle. Now, the volume button will work to start video recording in Photos mode when hold down, or capture photo on single press. If you find something helpful and fix it, don't hesitate to share it with everyone. Give a thumbs up for support and comment below with any questions.